Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. This is a XJ that we just wrapped up. It's getting ready to get picked up by the transporter and heading out of state. This was a custom-built Cherokee, meaning it never went on the market for sale. Most of our Jeeps that leave here are custom ordered. We build them per spec of each client, the exact upgrades they want, the fit and finishes. That way they're getting exactly what they want as opposed to just buying something that we built already. You're looking at all original paint on this XJ that we spent a ton of time paint correcting, which is a very tedious process. In some ways it can be better than repainting a vehicle if you're into originality, and we'll do some close-ups of the paint. This has our stage 2 package, which essentially is a full 3-inch suspension system. Every single suspension component, every single steering component, bushings down to ball joints, tie rod ends, sway bar end links, all that is replaced. There's not one original piece of steering or suspension on this XJ. Along with that package, we include different wheel and tire options. These are a graphite Moab wheel. That's our wheel with the correct offset that we had designed. Everything that you see black on this XJ, front bumper, fender flares, rocker panels, any parts that could be removed, flares, bumper caps, all that were removed, completely stripped down and sprayed with a 2-part Kevlar. Gives it a nice rugged look, very durable. Unlike the factory black plastic, which fades over time. Also, the rocker panels are nice to have, as the tires will kick up rocks and debris and everything, so it gets those rocker panels protected. We also did the roof on this one, as these roofs take a beating in the sun, and this stuff just really holds up very nicely. We did repaint the header panel. It had some rock chips on it. Everything else has been paint corrected. We'll go ahead and show you guys just how nice this paint is after our crew here does a paint correction. It's about 5 to 6 days. Essentially what we're doing is with different grits of sandpaper, starting sometimes as aggressive as 1500 if there's enough clear coat to allow that, working our way all the way up to as high as 5000 grit. And from there, multiple steps of different high-speed compounds, different pads, high-speed buffs. I mean, if you look at this thing in the sunlight, I mean, there's no swirl marks on it. So essentially what we're doing is we're actually removing a very thin layer of the top layer of clear coat by sanding it away. And then you're left with a very dull clear coat, and then you bring that back to this beautiful shine with the different speeds of different buffing compounds, polishes, and then it's ended off with a seal. And the end result, I mean, this is 20-year-old paint and it looks brand new. It was in good condition obviously before it came in, but with the full paint correction, it really just gives the Jeep a beautiful look. This Jeep, like all of our Jeeps, was also fully serviced. Engine serviced top to bottom, full drivetrain, as the train is making its noise in the background. Front diff, rear diff, transfer case, transmission fully serviced, brake system, the whole nine. Did a full exhaust on it as well. Beautiful color here on this XJ. Very clean, low profile roof rack. We did our nice exhaust that we're always proud of. Nice, clean, up towards the bumper cap. Doesn't stick out, looks very clean. Has a very nice tone to it as well. This XJ, like all of our XJs, we don't just install suspension. We spend a lot of time on the undercarriage. I'll just sort of give you guys a glimpse of how clean everything is. We remove axles when we do the suspension and sandblast them and repaint them. So everything looks absolutely perfect, including the gas tank. All new grade 10 hardware throughout the entire Jeep. All new bump stops. Like I said, every single thing. If you take a look at the rear sway bar in the center frame, That has all new bushings in it. The sway bar has been removed, sanded down, repainted. So we spent a ton of time on the undercarriage to make it look the part. Transfer case drop down. Once again, all grade 8 hardware. Even the transfer case, when it's serviced, it gets sanded down, repainted. All new exhaust. Look at that front axle, completely removed out, sanded down. This is all sort of standard in all of our packages. Same thing with the transmission pan. When we do the transmission service, pan gets blasted, cleaned up, recoated. Bell housing, all new hardware throughout. Everything up front is brand new. Tie rod in, tie rod bars, sway bar end links, everything. All you see is all gray tin hardware. Sway bar in the front top frame, that was removed, sanded down, repainted. All new bushings inside, as you see the brand new blue bushings, front bump stops. And this is all sort of, like I said, standard. And what we do when we install suspension here, it's much more than just throwing some parts on. So you got the exterior looking just as clean as the undercarriage. And on this interior, we also have some of our LED headlights that we use. We did our full leather seat upgrade. We have many different options with the seats, from colors, materials, two-tone, different type of stitching that we offer. So all the seats have been done. As always, all of our bolsters get completely rebuilt. Over the years, when people slide in and out of here, this bolster gets flattened. It's hard to see on the video, but this bolster goes up a lot. We redo the front part as well, and we also redo these side bolsters, so they got a lot of shape to them. So when you actually sit in this seat, it's very, very comfortable. These are heated seats that we did as well. Back seats are done, new headliner. We have a full Pioneer navigation system, backup camera. We upgraded all the speakers inside as well. When the seats come out, carpet gets completely steam cleaned. Another thing that we do when the seats are out, we sand down all the brackets, all the hardware. We seal them, prime them, and paint them just to give it a nice, clean, new look. A lot of attention to detail. Same thing with the brackets on the back side of the seat. We do add these pockets, which are not what the factory offers you, just in case you wanted to put some stuff in there. Back seats, we will often add some additional foam inside as well. And as you see, these, it's hard to compare this to a factory seat, but it's thicker up top. Steam clean the carpet, just nice and clean. So interior overall, it's just all new leather, heated seats, headliner, full audio, navigation. We did include a backup camera as noted as well. Kevlar continues around. Just a nice, clean, simple build. I say simple in the appearance. Many other services were done to this that we didn't go over, but essentially this is a common stage 2 package that we produce here. We also offer this package with new paint jobs if requested, different wheels and tires, different color leather. You essentially tell us what you want and we'll produce it for you. Build times on these will vary, obviously, depending on what we do to them, plus production time that we have going on currently in the shop. So feel free to email us, jeeps@davisautosports.com. You could also email me directly, jd@davisautosports.com. You can give our office a call at 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thanks for viewing.